Welcome to today's in-depth review of the Furniliving mid-century tufted, adjustable swivel makeup Ottoman stool. This modern, large-size round vanity stool chair in elegant white is perfect for enhancing the charm and functionality of your bedroom, living room, or even your office. Let's dive into what makes this stool a must-have piece for any stylish and practical space. First, let's talk about the materials. The stool is upholstered with high-quality PU leather, offering a luxurious, skin-friendly touch that's both durable and easy to clean. Its soft padded foam ensures maximum comfort, making it an inviting spot to sit. This blend of style and comfort allows it to seamlessly complement any neutral-colored decor, adding a touch of elegance to your home. One of the standout features of this Ottoman stool is its impressive adjustability. With a seat top measuring almost 15.8 inches and an adjustable height reaching up to 20.5 inches, it's designed to meet a variety of needs. Whether you're an adult or a child, the stool can be customized to your preferred height. The 360-degree swivel function adds an extra layer of convenience, making it ideal for multiple uses, from a makeup stool to a casual seating option in your living room or office. Assembly is a breeze with this stool, ensuring you can set it up quickly without any hassle. Its versatility is one of its greatest strengths. Whether you're placing it in a bedroom, bathroom, living room, office, college dorm, lounge, or studio apartment, it fits right in. Its adaptable design means it can serve multiple functions, from a stylish vanity stool to an extra seat for guests. Additionally, the stool's sleek, modern design complements a wide range of interior styles, making it a truly versatile piece. Furniliving also offers robust after-sales support. Their complete after-sales service system is designed to provide fast, professional, accurate, and enthusiastic technical support and service. This means you can purchase with confidence, knowing that any issues will be promptly addressed. Upgrade your space with the Furniliving mid-century tufted adjustable swivel makeup Ottoman stool. It's not just a piece of furniture, it's a blend of style, comfort, and functionality. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.